Check out this 2008 Volkswagen Passat. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. And memory settings are one of many features. Call today to schedule a test drive.